Hello world, just to let you all know, hey Kim, hey what's up? Kimberly is stuck in the seatbelt buckle and we can't get her out. Hey Dawn, what's up?
Do not pee in my seat.
She might squirt a little
What
off.
all of a sudden is wrong with my seatbelt? Kim, you were fucking sucking. Hold on. I mean, I do have a knife, but I don't want to use it. Hold on, let me put my knee right there for leverage.
That's what he said.
Hold on.
Oh my god.
I do not want to cut my fucking seatbelt. Hold on.
Why can't we just like get all of it and like pull it out and then let her slip through it? Are you small enough to do that? Like just
Here.
get all of the seatbelt out? See what I'm talking about?